Hi, welcome back to my channel. Here's another new code. Watch out and take care.
The beautiful Yu Kitakawa. Code JUR533. Released on November 25, 2025. And it has 170 minutes watch time. The story is about father-in-law and his daughter-in-law. The couple was having a hard time for the girl to get pregnant. So later that night, the old guy noticed the couple was having a problem. So the old guy had an idea. The next day, the old guy talked to the girl and talked about their problem. Apparently, the girl didn't like the idea of the old guy. However, the old guy cannot wait any longer to have a grandchild. So the old guy didn't waste the opportunity. The old guy makes a move. They spent quality time together and the wonderful story began.
Make sure to subscribe and like and turn on notification for new codes. Thank you for watching.